আইনষ্টাইনে মানে চ্যাপলিনক কৈছে ভিডিঅ' কৈছে It's a very, very interesting. When Einstein met Chaplin for the first time, they were the biggest friends. So Einstein told him that Mr. Chaplin, you're amazing. You say nothing. People love you so much. They honor you so much. Then Mr. Chaplin said, Mr. Einstein, you're more amazing. Einstein said, why? He said, you say so many things. Nobody understands anything. But they still love you. That is called intellect. কি কথা এইটো এটাই কৈছে যে তই একোকে নকওঁ ইমান ভাল পায় তোক চবেই বুজি পায় তোক কি কৈছে যে তই ইমান কথা